Hey everybody, Jim King with my son Matt out here in Weston. Um, we have totally completed this project other than a couple incidental items. This door right here that goes into the crawl space that we created is going to be hinges and handle be put on it and framed out. It'll look really nice when we're done. We've backfilled everything. Beyond the backfill is technically backfilling the gap between the wall of the dirt and the foundation wall. We've tarred everything. These cells are solid all the way around here, and it's now ready for a seal plate and for the carpenters to come in there and do their room addition. And it's going to look really nice when they're done. We've backfilled everything, went way beyond. We had a lot of dirt to get rid of, and luckily right over here at this ravine is where we dumped our dirt. Had to go through the city and deal with the neighbor next door. He was very cooperative. Now we're going to come in here and throw some grass seed down where we disturbed the neighbor's yard, and did all this with, we had 2 inches of rain out here last weekend, so this dirt is very sandy. We did most of it with a rubber tired loader, and they're just real pleased on how it looks. It's way beyond backfill. Everything we do is overkill. We every job we do, we have a contract with listed things that we do. This job here in particular, we've done so many little extra things at no charge, which helps the owner, and it's an agreed deal, and it usually comes out of my mouth that we'll throw that in for free and throw that in for free, and so. But all of our contractual obligations are really complete here. Today we're going to come seed all this, like I said, and that's it. It's backfilled, the wall's built, the house has been lifted. Just about every floor joist. Originally it was sitting on dirt, and we created a crawl space in there, and all the floor joists have been cistern onto, bolted. We've got concrete pads that are placed strategically all throughout underneath the home, stabilizing it. And once we got it raised, they're put in there to keep it level as possible. So all in all, this has been a great job. We started it early in the spring, and we just now finished it. It's quite a relief to be out of here, and I know these homeowners have been fantastic to work with, dealing with the weather, and we had a couple of delays, but just a quality project here. So I'm so happy with everything. It just turned out really nice, and we saved the homeowners some money, and that's always huge to us, and just a successful project. So for all your foundation piering needs, give us a call. I feel we are the very best in the country. That's why I video everything we do. We don't video just us sitting out by our trucks, by our signs on our trucks. We videotape everything we do. There's no secrets to this. We want to show the world that we are putting out a quality project, and engineering sound work. We don't undercut anything. We saw cut everything. Everything we do is engineering 101. We don't get paid to tear up your foundation and make you think we're fixing it. We actually come in and make it as good or better than it was the day it was built. It'll be structurally sound, and all of our 5-star reviews speak for themselves. So give us a call, 816-288-4373. You can go to our Facebook channel, King Piers LLC, and last but not least, YouTube is huge for us. Appreciate it if you get on there and give us a thumbs up and a subscribe. Thank you very much.